Again, with this side hatch open, this is the first breath of fresh air that this crew has gotten in 167 days since their launch back in August. And it looks like our first crew member out of the spacecraft is NASA astronaut Mike Fincke. That's NASA astronaut Zena Cardman, wrapping up her first mission to space, commander of the Crew-11 spacecraft. Our next crew member to exit the spacecraft is JAXA's astronaut Kimiya Yui. Yui just reached the milestone of 300 days in space across 2 missions. And we see the 4th crew member of Crew-11 being helped from the vehicle now. That is Roscosmos cosmonaut Oleg Platonov, also wrapping up his first mission to space. Now that NASA astronauts Zena Cardman and Mike Fincke, Kimiya Yui of JAXA, and Roscosmos cosmonaut Oleg Platonov are safely back home on Earth and getting checked out by the medical teams, we're going to wrap up our live coverage of their return.